Hey guys, so I've got this this new Ruger gun lock here, cable lock, and I just thought we would try to take it, see what it took to get inside of here. Don't imagine it's going to be too hard, but actually we can probably leave that on there. Little 30mm made in China lock, so let's see what we need to get inside of here. Maybe if we can get that to fit. Yeah, let's try it. See how this thing holds up. Seems a little smaller than the old Ruger gun locks, but let's see. I think it's maybe 3 or 4 pins. I don't know if this pick will fit in here. I feel like I'm binding on the tension wrench here. There's one, at least. Got another click there. Sorry, I hope you can see what's going on here. I'm bending my tension wrench out of here. I have to go bottom of the keyway. Still think we're stuck on that first pin a little bit too. No, we're not. Well, about a minute. A little better than I thought it would do. But yeah, that's about what we got here for a gun lock. Guess if you don't know how to pick, it might keep you out, but yeah. I don't know what else to say, to be honest with you. That's why I have a safe. But yeah, that's what we got here for this Ruger cable lock. Nothing too exciting, but yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.